AI is writing books, driving cars, and even diagnosing diseases. But should we be excited or worried? Artificial intelligence is technology that can learn, think, and make decisions like humans. It's already embedded in the devices we use every day, and it's transforming how we work, live, and interact with the world. AI automates repetitive tasks in manufacturing, making production faster and more efficient. Smart assistants like Siri, Alexa, and ChatGPT help us daily. In healthcare, AI predicts diseases earlier and more accurately than ever before. But AI also threatens jobs, especially in repetitive tasks. Our personal data becomes vulnerable to misuse and surveillance. AI systems can perpetuate biases and spread misinformation at unprecedented scale. AI is a powerful tool. It's up to us to shape it for good. Do you trust AI to make decisions in your life? Share your thoughts below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights.